One of the easiest do-it-yourself maintenance projects that you can do on your vehicle is to replace the engine air filter. Do not pay the dealer rates to have them do this for you. It is super easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. This is all Toyota 4Runners from the 2010 to present 2020 model year. So you will need a new filter for your vehicle. I've got the Fram Extra Guard filter, part number CA10835. I'll put a link to it in the description below. I actually got it at Walmart, so you can go down to Walmart and pick one up, or just go to your local parts store, tell them what you need, and they'll find you a filter that is compatible for your 4Runner. Now, in order to get to the filter, we've got this canister here. We're gonna undo these clips on the perimeter. We've got 2 on that side, 1 here, and then another one down here on the bottom. And then we're gonna open this up, and you'll see we've got our old filter inside. All right, so we'll go ahead and pull this up, and then grab onto the edge of this filter. I'm just gonna slide it out, and I'll give you a quick side-by-side comparison of the new and old. So we've got the OEM filter here, and then the new Fram filter on this side. And you'll see pretty dirty. So with the new one in there, we're going to be taking a lot of that dust and dirt out of the way, help the engine breathe a lot cleaner, and should also help to improve fuel economy. So drop that down in place. And then with that back in place, we're just going to set this back down and then pull these 2 clips on this side, and then likewise we've got the one here and the one down in the bottom. Snap those back into place, and new filter's in. So as you can see, it's super easy to replace the engine air filter yourself on your Toyota 4Runner. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. For more 5th generation 4Runner videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.